at night. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aria. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair like this cute little genie ponytail, half up, half down. And believe it or not, y'all, I only use 2 packs of hair. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your hair like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my hair already blow dried and detangled and all that. I'm just gonna section my hair from ear to ear, and this is what my part looks like. It doesn't have to be super clean because at the end of the day the hair is going to cover it regardless. I'm going to be working with this section of my hair first. So again, I'm going to take my rat tail end of my edge brush. I'm going to create a little slim section right here. The part again doesn't really have to be clean, and then I'm just going to corner this section. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. When it gets long enough, I'm just going to flip it over on this side and then continue to braid down. Next, I'm just going to make another section. I'm going to make this one slightly larger, and then I'm going to corner this section. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep peep. The girl he wants don't see no one him too. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Then again, when it's long enough, you can flip it over and then continue to braid down. So here, as you can see, it's 2 braids, but then at the end it combines into one. I'm doing this so that when I finish braiding all of my hair, I'm able to just pin it up as one braid, so it's not a whole bunch of braids sticking out. And then again, I'm just gonna go in and make another section and then cornrow. When the tempo slows up and creates that new, he seems alive though he is feeling blue. The sun is shining, man, he's super cool. The lonely nights, they fade away, he slips into his white nights. He smokes a clip and then he's on the way to free his mind and search her, to free his mind and search her, to free his mind and search her. Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind. Now that you've seen me doing it a couple times, I'm just gonna finish the last section of my hair and I'll come back when I'm done. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night, at night, day and night. At night, at night, day and night. I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone. Okay guys, so now that I have all my braids and I just have these last 3 braids left, I'm just gonna take these braids right here and I'm just gonna twist them really tight so that they become one long twist. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pin this up into my head. Okay, now for this section of my hair, I'm gonna do a ponytail, but I'm gonna section this into 3 because I want the ponytail to lay really slick. I'm just gonna create 3 sections. It doesn't have to be even or anything, just create 3 sections, making the middle part the biggest section. And then I'm just gonna put these 2 sections in little buns, just so we can work with this section first. And then next, I'm gonna take my edge booster. I know how I love edge booster. Look, this is a fresh can. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, and then I'm just gonna apply it to the very front of my hair. and then take some more and then apply it to the sides. And then once I've got it on the front of my hair, I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush all of this into a ponytail. Then I'm gonna take a ponytail holder and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. And then you guys, I'm gonna take this section and then I'm gonna add some gel on the very edges. And then of course, I'm gonna brush it into that ponytail. And then of course, I'm gonna take another ponytail and I'm gonna wrap it around. And last but not least, I'm gonna take this section, add some of the gel, and then brush it upwards into that ponytail. Okay guys, now that I have my hair all in a ponytail, I'm gonna start crocheting first with the back of my head. This is the hair I'm gonna be using. It is the Jamaican Crochet Bounce 26 inches in the color 2. This is what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. I'm gonna start off with one, then I'm gonna take my crochet hook and I'm just gonna start at the bottom in no particular way. I'm just gonna stick my crochet hook in and then pull the hair through, and then I'm just gonna take the hair and then tie a knot like this. So again, I'm just taking my crochet hook, putting it through my braid, putting the hair onto the hook, and then pulling it through. And then once I pulled it through, I'm kind of gonna measure to make sure that it's the same length before I tie it, because I don't want one side to be longer than the other. And then I'm just gonna tie my knot. One last time, I'm taking my hook, putting it through, then I'm putting the hair onto the hook, pulling it through the braid, making sure it's the same length, and then I'm just gonna tie a knot. This is what it looks like from the front. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook the rest, and I'll be back when I'm done.
The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep peep. The girl he wants don't see no one him too. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the longest owner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change.
Okay guys, this is how much I've done with just one pack. I'm just gonna fluff it out just to see if I need more.
When the tempo slows up and creates that new. He seems alive though he is feeling blue. The sun is shining, man, he's super cool. The lonely nights.
This is what it looks like when it's fluffed out. I didn't fluff it out too much. I'm just gonna go in with the second pack and I'll come back when the back half is done.
To free his mind and searcher, to free his mind and searcher. Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night.
Okay guys, this is what it looks like after I fluffed it out a little bit and added some more. I don't think I'm gonna add any more because the back is pretty full. So next off, I'm just gonna section my ponytail off into 3, just like this, and then I'm going to braid. Now that I braided it all, I'm just gonna take this braid and just wrap it around, and then take a small rubber band and then put it around so that I have this mini little bun. Next up, you guys, I'm gonna go in again with another pack of the Jamaican Bounce hair, and I'm gonna crochet in. I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm gonna do a little bit different this time. I'm gonna fluff it out as I go so that I'm not adding too much hair. And then again, hook it through at the top, and then pull it through the crochet hook, and then tie it. This is what it looks like after I filled in the top. Now I'm just gonna go in with some Cuban twist hair, and I'm just probably gonna take about this much and then I'm gonna crochet it into the front of the ponytail. And then next I'm just gonna take the Cuban twist hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around, so then it creates this little like genie effect. I'm just gonna go back in and fluff it out a little bit more. I want this to look kind of unnatural as possible, so I'm just gonna go in and kind of rake out those curls so it looks a little bit more puffy.
It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night.
Alright y'all, I fluffed it out just a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna kind of trim it, because as you can see this part is significantly longer. So I'm just gonna go in and just trim it a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural.
The sun is shining, man, he's super cool.
Okay guys, this is the final result. I really like how it turned out. It turned out really cute. It's really full. Honestly y'all, this was so quick and easy. I only used 2 packs. This was a $30 hairstyle. You don't need to break the bank for this hairstyle. I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.
Always like a fool, ow, ow, ain't nothing new now.